Alright, I have my 2007 Pontiac Vibe here, and I'm going to do a quick video just showing you how to replace your rear wiper blade here. Okay, so you really don't need any tools, but if you've got just a little flat screwdriver, it's going to make it easier. This is a small little wiper blade, as you can see. This is the number that this particular vehicle takes, and just to let you know, these are around $9 to $12 for these little tiny wiper blades, so they are kind of expensive. Okay, so the first thing we're just going to do is just lift it up like this. If we come back here to the back of it, you can see right here there's like a little hinge that it flaps out on. Well, all we have to do is take something and push right there, because there's like a little catch. So we have to push that in. So I'm pushing it inward as I'm pushing that off. You can see how it just popped up there, if it'll focus for a minute. So that's all I've done. There's like a catch right here that it catches on when it latches. So you just have to push that in. So it's kind of like just a little tab, but it's really stiff. There we go. You have to just push that in enough to pop it off there. And once you do that, this will just slide right directly off, just like that. So it just slides right on in that direction and pops down over that. So you have to like slide it up enough into place. So we're going to go ahead and get this other one out of our box here now. Okay, so here's the new one. It's identical. So all we need to do is we get it up here, we kind of turn this back in this manner, just like that, so it'll slide in. So just kind of go at that sort of an angle, and you push it right into place. Now you shouldn't need to push this in. It should just pop right over it. You can see the catch there. And once we pop it over that, it's going to lock it right into place. So that's all there is to it. Now, unless worst case, if this is brittle, you know, it could possibly break, but it should be strong enough material. This one here's holding up pretty good, so you shouldn't have any trouble. But I guess worst case, if it got brittle and your catch broke, you would have to pop this off and replace this piece here. But as long as you're careful with it, then it should come off there pretty easily. Okay, so that's going to do it for this video on replacing this rear wiper on this 2005. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and as always, I invite you to subscribe. Thank you for watching.